This topic, attribution models. The allocation of credit for success in customer engagement is a multifaceted consideration that deserves careful examination. Customers interact with businesses through a diverse array of channels, each playing a specific and significant role in the customer journey. These channels include email communications that often provide personalized offers, direct contact through sales representatives that builds rapport, paid search advertising that enhances visibility, social media interactions that encourage community and brand loyalty, and referrals from satisfied customers that lend credibility. Each of these initial interactions is critical in establishing brand awareness, nurturing consideration among potential buyers, and shaping their purchase intent. For instance, a well-timed email may capture a customer's attention while engaging social media content can spark curiosity and trust. Moreover, the final interaction often came the most weight in the decision-making process. Whether it's a confirmation email after a purchase or a follow-up call to address concerns, this last touch point can decisively influence the customer's choice to proceed. By understanding these dynamics and how each touch point contributes to the overall customer experience, businesses can develop more effective strategies for success attribution, ensuring that they recognize the value of each engagement in the journey towards conversion and loyalty. Web analytics solutions employ various attribution models to allocate credit for conversions among different marketing activities, which is crucial for optimizing marketing strategies and maximizing return on investment. A deep understanding of these models enables marketers to refine their campaigns and allocate resources more effectively. First touch attribution. This model attributes all credit for a conversion to the initial interaction or touch points that a user has with a brand. For instance, if a customer first discovers a product through a social media advertisement and later makes a purchase after seeing an email campaign, the first touch model would credit the conversion entirely to the social media ad. Consequently, this approach ignores any subsequent interactions that may have influenced the purchase decision, potentially undervaluing ongoing engagement efforts and nurturing. Last touch attribution. In contrast, the last touch attribution model assigns complete credit for a conversion to the most recent interaction the user had with the brand. Following the same example, if the customer received an email after seeing an ad and clicked through to make a purchase, the last touch model would give full credit to the email campaign. Like the first touch model, this approach disregards the impact of earlier interactions, which can lead to a distorted perception of channel effectiveness and importance in the overall customer journey. By exploring and understanding these attribution models, marketers can analyze their campaigns more effectively, gaining insights into which channels and strategies are instrumental in driving conversions. This knowledge is essential for making informed decisions about budgeting, channel selection, and overall marketing strategy to ensure a comprehensive approach that reflects the complexities of consumer behavior. The initial model emphasizes the critical importance of both the first and last touch points in the customer journey. The first interaction, often a customer's introduction to a brand, whether through advertising, social media, or direct engagement, sets the tone for their entire experience. It shapes initial perceptions, builds curiosity, and can greatly influence whether a potential customer decides to explore further. Conversely, the last touch point, which typically occurs at the conclusion of a purchase or service experience, serve as a final impression that can either reinforce satisfaction or leave lingering doubts. This interaction can be pivotal in determining customer loyalty, the likelihood of repeat purchase, and the potential for positive word-of-mouth recommendations. By recognizing the influential roles of these touch points, businesses can strategically enhance their customer engagement strategies, ensuring a more cohesive and impactful overall experience. The second model emphasizes the concept of equal or linear distribution, wherein resources or values are allocated uniformly among all participants without favoritism or bias. This approach aims to ensure that each individual receives an identical share, creating a sense of fairness and equality within the group. Such a distribution method is often used in various contexts, including economic wealth sharing, resource management, and decision-making processes where the goal is to promote equity and mitigate disparities. By adhering to these model, organizations and communities can foster a collaborative environment where each participant feels valued and invested in the collective outcome. The third model underscores the critical importance of the U-curve in the customer journey, specifically focusing on the impact of both the initial and final touchpoints. This approach not only highlights the significance of a customer's first interaction, whether it be a website visit, an advertisement, or an in-store greeting, but also emphasizes the value of the last engagement, such as a follow-up communication, feedback request, or closing experience. By acknowledging these pivotal moments, the model recognizes how they shape the overall customer experience and influence customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. Each touchpoint serves as a foundational element contributing to the emotional journey and the broader narrative of the customer relationship with the brand. The fourth model employs a time decay approach, which strategically emphasizes the significance of the most recent touchpoint in the customer journey, attributing the highest level of credit to it. This method recognizes that interaction with the brand have a diminishing effect over time, thus earlier engagement hold less weight as the customer progresses toward making a decision. By giving greater importance to the final interactions, whether they be website visits, email clicks, or social media engagements, this approach provides a more nuanced understanding of how customer engagement levels evolve throughout the decision-making process. This insight allows marketers to tailor their strategies effectively, ensuring that the most impactful touchpoints are prioritized to drive conversions while considering the entire customer journey.